Hi everyone, it's a lovely sizzling hot day here in Venice, and today we're going to have a tour. We're going to three different islands here in Venice Lagoon: the Murano, Burano and Torcello. So join us. Hello ladies and gentlemen, Star Wars Bull once again, and we are heading to the boat right now for our tour. All of us, those people that you see, all of us is going there, so that's our boat. A very big boat. 3 island hopping.
Okay, merci.
For 4?
4 English. Okay.
Although it's hot, but the breeze is so lovely, and we're sailing now in Venetian Lagoon, heading to our spots.
Loro sono pescatori.
Just arrived in Murano, and this is our first stop. Murano is an island here in Italy, which is known for glass making, and today we're going to witness the demonstration on how to do it.
We have only 1 minute and a half to make it. Technique solide, technique des sculptures et des grandes pièces appliquées à un petit cheval. Quand on la travaille sur des quantités de verre aussi réduites, notre maître ne peut pas réchauffer en cours de travail. Il n'aura donc qu'une unité de vie pour réaliser entièrement son cheval. Ahora vemos la otra técnica de Murano, la técnica sólida para hacer las esculturas y las piezas más grandes aplicadas al caballito.
Wow, check this out. This guy is awesome. You really need good skills and practice to acquire these certain skills, you know. This is really beautiful. There was a gallery inside, but unfortunately the camera is not allowed. So after a little bit of shopping in there, we're back to the boat. Now we're sailing to our next destination, Burano Island. This is where they make the boats. And check this out, there's another one there that they're doing right now. New boats. This is part of Burano already, and as you can see, it's evident that the houses have different colors, which is prominent for Burano Island. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived in Burano Island. Our second stop. This island is famously known for its lacework and brightly colored homes. A fisherman village, but the primary economy is tourism. So there's a church at the end of this canal, and I found this place unique. Besides the houses, the place is beautiful. It's clean and so unique. But after a bit of a walk, we passed by many restaurants to check their local foods. But check this out. Oh my god, it's deliciously tasty. Wow, fresh. plaza. Locals are selling their own products. Most people walking around were tourists. This place was well visited by tourists each summer. It's time to go back in the boat. Now we're heading to Torcello Island, last stop. Here we go, guys. Our last stop is Torcello. Torcello is a tiny, sparsely populated island at the northern end of the Venetian Lagoon, well visited by tourists during summer. One place of interest is the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. Torcello is quiet without tourists. You can even hear the bird chirping and crickets. But now, after exploration, we're going back. Tiring, but hey, check this out. This water is so refreshing. So everyone, this is the end of our tour. 3 islands in one row in a day tour, so it was enjoyable. Highly recommended. Tiring, but enjoyable. So after that, food trip. Thanks for watching. See you next time.